to your left and right provide excellent viewing. Please select a row at once, act quickly, and proceed all the way to the end of that row. Remember, the future waits for no one, not even you. Attention, friends. For the success of our demonstration, we insist you remain upright. Keep your arms by your side, with your feet firmly planted on the floor. Access regulations require all life forms be properly seated, or the demonstration will be terminated. Thank you for your submission.
That's all for this time, folks. There's no flash photography or videotaping.
No more tests. We're about to go live. We can't have it.
Look, our early transmissions did not cover this kind of distance. Again, you are putting sail before science.
Exactly. Someone's got to be a role model. What? Ah! People of Earth. Greetings to each and every one of you. I'm Spinlock, XS Management Supervisor, speaking to you live across the galaxy where we're all set to get another spectacular demonstration. Dr. Phoebus?
Hello. Look, I don't think we should...
We should waste another moment. I couldn't agree with you more. Ready when you are, Doctor.
Thank you. The analysis modules above your head will now lower into place. Please remain seated in an upright position with your arms at your sides. When the modules touch your shoulders, they will stop automatically, so remain seated and do not interrupt their operation.
I trust you were all impressed with our earlier demonstration in which a living creature was teleported a short distance in total comfort. Now the time has come for one of you to experience something much more remarkable. A journey through interstellar space via XS teleportation. Dr. Phoebus will now analyze your human physiology to determine which one of you is suitable for our demonstration.
Data link online, analyzing now. This one might be adequate. We're going to have to boost the IQ. There's a lot of genetics.
And we've got our lucky traveler to whisk across the galaxy. In just a moment, the analysis module will arrive. Please
Straight aside. Spinlock.
Chairman Gladys.
So, is everything on schedule?
Well, to tell you the truth,
We're ahead of schedule.
Excellent.
Just selected a volunteer.
It's off.
Oh, good.
I've been seized.
Something you answer?
Seized with inspiration. A new idea.
Oh, terrific.
We're live, right?
Yes, very.
Hello, everyone. I've recalculated our plan. You see, if we bring one of you here, well, just get to meet one of you. However, if I'm teleported to Earth, I can meet all of you, shake each hand, and personally answer all your questions about the wonders of XS. I'll be with you in just a moment. Prepare yourselves for an unforgettable encounter. I remember Spinlock, doubt is a rust of a feeble mind, but the only way to seize the future is to grasp the present. Let's go.
Grasp the present. Yes, well, the chairman certainly has a way with words. What do you say, Dr. Pugh? Shall we grasp?
Yeah, grasp, right, but first I have to totally recalibrate.
Seize, grasp!
Okay, Doctor.
I am going as fast as I can.
Yes, sir. Dr. Phoebus. Everything.
I didn't want to suggest that we were not
Now what's happening?
Another planet in our transmission path. It must have intercepted the signal.
What?
But wait, I got something.
We're to boost the power and send it to Earth.
Well, what if it's not him?
Of course it's him. Send him to Earth. Ladies and gentlemen, live and in person, Chairman Clem.
Spinlock, since when does planet have wings?
Wait. It's an alien!
Analyzing now.
Well, what is it?
Okay, let's see. Ornithius, carnivorous.
Did he cannot fly out! Now, the eggs of us! Get back in the tube before I eat someone!
I can't. We just lost power.
We'll get someone in there and fix it!
Hello? Hey! Hello! Is everybody all right down there? This is maintenance one. We've got major damage. What's going on in here?
Just a blackout. Find the auxiliary power switch.
No problem.
You can find it at the end of the first bridge to your left.
Roger. Already there. XS? Did you hear that?
Never mind. Just find the switch.
Roger.
Right here. Good job. We got the signal from your night vision camera.
Now, show us the people down in the chamber.
Is something wrong?
Well, we just need to make sure that they're all right.
No problem. Folks, there's nothing to be afraid of. I'll have this puppy up and running in a flash.
Right behind you.
Roger. I've got it. What in the universe could have done this?
Maintenance one, come in. Can you see the problem?
I can see the problem.
The idea, the potential of excess technology and all of that. Was only apologize for the inconvenience, but after all.
It does take time to see the Thank you so much for coming. Please exit out the open doors and don't forget your remarks.
The ones that haven't been eaten.